Hey guys, Ready Dog here. How you guys doing? I'm doing good. I'm back in my mechanical room. I've got to change my filters on my Simpure water filter system that comes into my house. I'm on well water here. You can see this is my cartridge filter that picks up the sediment. Look at all that sediment that's picked up. And I've got to get that changed out. It's been there about 6 months now, I think. So it's time to change it out. And I'm going to change it out with these. There's 3 to a box, and these are the 4.5 inch by 10 inch cartridge filters, and really nice products. That's what's in there now, and that's a Simpure system right there. But anyway, here it is right here, and there's the ops manual for the thing I put up, and it is a Simpure. There's the model. But anyway, I'm going to get these out of here, and I'll show you the process of changing those out. You can see that's the wrench to unscrew these. It's not a big deal. You just got to turn the water off, drain it, and then pull the filter out and screw a new one in. Anyway, I'll be back and show you that process here in a minute. Let me get these unboxed. Okay. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some of the specs on this. This is the PGC filter, and this is a granular activated carbon filter, and it'll remove rust, silt, sand, chlorine, tastes, and odors out of your water. And I've been using these for well over a year, and we're on well water here, and these things work great. And this filter here, a little bit different than the other one, but just a great filter. A little bit different design. It's got these caps on the end, as my other one did not have these caps on the end, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, we'll get this replaced. I'm going to put it right up in this filter canister right here, and I'll show you that process in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back here. I'm going in my mechanical room. I'm getting ready to change out this filter, and there's your filter wrench right there. I keep it hanging right there, and what this does is this just goes around your filter, and it catches into these ridges here, so you can get a good grip on that. Sometimes, you know, I don't change these but about every 4 to 6 months, and you can see it's pretty dirty, and our water flow is starting to slow down. Our water pressure is slowing down a little bit, so this is getting where it needs to be replaced. But anyway, let me get that off of there. What you have to do is you have to turn your water off. There's my valve. My valve is right down there. I turn my valve off to my water. That comes in from the well. Turn that off. And then it's got a bleeder valve up there on the top, so you can bleed the pressure off. But what I do is I go and turn my faucets on and just bleed the pressure out of the faucet in the kitchen. And I'll be back in just a minute, and we'll change this out with this filter right here. Right back. Okay guys, you can see I've got my wrench up here. Now one thing that I had to do, I couldn't take this off. Hey guys, it's me again. But I had to take a rubber mallet and hit on this to get it to come loose. Now one thing that you got to do when you want to change these filters out, just make sure that you use a good wrench. I had a friend of mine that has the same thing, and he has 2 of these wrenches, so he gets a wider grip on the actual canister. But I'm able to get mine loose if I use a rubber mallet and give it a couple of good taps with my rubber mallet here. That way I don't damage the handle, and I can get a good bite on it. Now one thing too is, if it's hard to loosen, hit it back the other direction and hit it on with your mallet. You can hit it underneath on the bottom. You can hit the handle to go back the other way, and then try to loosen it up, and that helps too. And that's what I had to do to get this loose. But let me get it off here, and I'll get the new one on. Hold on. Okay, there's my old one, guys. Look at this. And that thing is heavy. Look at that thing. It is full of sediment and debris, and that has done an excellent job taking care of my water and keeping my well water clean. And mine is a 2-stage. That one takes care of this one is kind of a pre-filter. It takes care of all the sediment and things. It does take care of some chlorine and some tastes and odors as well. But this one really cleans up the water. Anyway, cool deal. Let me get the new one in. Let me get this canister cleaned up. Always clean up your canister well before you put a new cartridge in. But I'll be right back. Okay, guys, you can see right there, I got my new filter in. Water's flowing into the system now, and looks like I'm gonna need some salt. But real simple. Just make sure whenever you do your canister, don't over torque it. Use a little helper if you need to, like I did. Use a little hammer, but works good. Now also, this comes in a 3-pack. They sell these in individuals too, but this is a 3-pack that I got here. And great filter. And what I do is I take my ops manual for my Simpure filter system, and I'll write down when I replace the cartridges. Right there, I'll write that down. So I'll get that done. That way I know when I'm going to replace the cartridges again. Anyway, guys, good product, easy to install. They work great. Look at this. You can see they work great to capture all that debris. Awesome. Anyway, that's what I know. You guys have a good one.